Hey, it's Blake Hawkins with Hawkins Landscape and Outdoors, and today we're going to be talking about lighting. So what do you do after you get your plants installed, the grass and everything? It looks really great during the daytime, but at night you can't really see much. Also, you have new walkways, and the client wanted everything lit up so they can see where they're walking. We have in-grounds up here in the pathway and in the back where their seating area is. We've got bell lights that have a large cast on them to highlight the plants around. And then we put bolt lights that go up to shine on the number on the house and shine up the trees. It's a great additional touch. These lights are special. They're all Bluetooth controlled. You can change the color, the pitch, the brightness, all from your phone. It's all connected through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it's as simple as that. So a little bit about the installation. We have 2 transformers on this job. There's a lot of lights going in. These Bluetooth bulbs, they need about 10 to 14 watts to fully function. The purple needs more wattage. And then we have the Bluetooth function that also requires more wattage than just a normal light bulb. Another really cool thing about these lights is since they're completely programmable, you can change the different groups of the lights. So you have red, green for Christmas time if you want to alternate them, or set just the trees to green or just the pathways to red, or you can leave the walkways completely white. That's something that's really cool about these lights, is that they're completely programmable for you and your house. So if you need any landscape lighting, if there's some areas in your yard that are a little too dark, or you want something highlighted, if you want your house lit up so you can see the number at night, when you have friends or family coming over that want to see your house and they can see the walkways up to the house. So reach out today if you need any new landscape, any lighting, new structure, arbor. Call us at Hawkins Landscape and Outdoors.